Hey guys, what up? Welcome back to Destiny. So, as you guys know, still doing beta. We got a couple days left. So that's videos every day this August, or vlogs every day this August. And today I kind of wanted to, yes girl. And today I'm super excited because I am reviewing the Jade Roller and Gua Sha from a company called Witty. So I found them on, where did I find them? Was it Instagram? No, I ended up finding them on Amazon. Checked out their Instagram. Loved the fact that the business was female run, female owned. Loved the fact that it was a really small company. They only have 3 products. They have this Jade Roller and Gua Sha in, well, jade, and then they have I think rose quartz, and then I think they have like a derma roller. So was super excited to really try this out. And so I want to say, like, maybe over the past like 6 to 8 months, I've been super interested in trying jade rollers just kind of in general. I wasn't familiar with Gua Shas yet. I was just kind of familiar, that's the baby in the background. I was just kind of familiar with jade rollers and had seen, you know, some of the benefits of using it, putting it in the fridge, helping with things like puffiness, helping with kind of the look of sagging skin. You know, I saw that jade rollers really help to really lift the skin. So I was interested in really adding something like that to my skincare regimen on maybe once or twice a week as a skincare ritual. So when I researched, I started finding that a lot of companies not only had jade rollers, but had Gua Shas. Now, shout out to the homegirl Paula, or P Money. You guys have seen her on this channel multiple times. I showed her this product and she was just kind of like, duh, like Gua Sha's old school, like she's Filipino. So she was like, my grandma was using that like back in the day and it's bomb. And so she showed me this skincare video of this woman who's super knowledgeable in Gua Sha, who's super knowledgeable just even in the tools, how to use them. I feel like there's a lot of videos out there on, you know, how to use them, but she really specializes in like the ancient kind of like Chinese way of doing it, the exact angle of how you're supposed to hold it, the ritual behind it. I was really excited to kind of like watch the video and try it out with her, and I found the results to be so freaking amazing. So I'm gonna do one side of my face and then I'll be right back. See this, but do you see how this side of my face is like more lifted and sculpted than this side? I've only done this side so far. I've only done this side as far as like my face and like my neck. So do you guys see that? This eye is like more lifted. So this side looks a little bit more snatched. My mouth area looks more lifted, my cheek. That's like pretty amazing, and I did it kind of a little bit quicker just because I'm on camera for you guys, but normally if you really take your time and like massage the tool into your skin, I feel like you can really see the differences. But isn't that amazing? So I know I'm gonna look a little crazy, but it's fine. So one thing that I noticed just in my first time really going through the whole routine, and I'm gonna link her video below if you guys have one or are in the process of checking them out and buying them and want to do the whole ritual along with her. She's freaking amazing. But one thing that I noticed was that like the circulation in my face and in like the upper chest area of my body, I feel like my circulation there was just so amazing and almost overwhelming, to the sense that like I felt just like slightly drowsy, and I felt like I was just like in such a good mood, like kind of like this drowsy but like high, I can't even explain it, but I got like the freaking best sleep ever after using the tool. I noticed that I ended up liking that better. The jade roller, you can do it as well, but I noticed that it works better for like puffiness in the morning, like if I'm on my way out and I'm rushing and I have it in the fridge or freezer, it works really great for that. Or for those of you that might have TMJ, that's something that I kind of struggle with a little bit. I have a very kind of tense jaw area. So really using this to kind of rub and like really get in there was like very helpful. And like this area, using this for like eye puffiness, and just rubbing, it just feels really nice. it helps with circulation as well, but using that Gua Sha tool, it just really helps you get in there, and I absolutely loved it. So I've actually been using this since the beginning of August. So I want to say those first like 2 weeks or so, I was doing it like every single day. That third week, I want to say I did it like maybe 5 times, and then the 4th and 5th weeks, I did it like maybe twice a week or so. So I definitely noticed my sleeping was just freaking phenomenal after using this. I've noticed that my face has been like looking more sculpted and lifted, and I've been getting a lot of compliments kind of just on my skin, not necessarily just the texture and brightness, but just like the look of it, and people just kept saying that I looked amazing. So I was like, okay. And the best thing about it was that I think this whole kit was like, I think less than $15. So let me kind of just show you guys what it is real quick. So it's this beautiful jade roller with kind of like the little rose gold on there, the Gua Sha tool, and I think it translates to like scraper, like that's what Gua Sha I guess translates to, or scraping, I don't know. And then the cute little box set, when you open it, comes with a cute little thank you booklet, some FAQs, a cute little like satin travel baggie, which is really great for those of you like that love to travel, love to be able to take some of your skincare ritual stuff with you. I mean, I would absolutely love this upon traveling, especially if I'm on a plane and you look puffy and kind of like you missed a lot of sleep on that red eye. So really good for those of you that do that. And the cool thing about it is when you buy like this whole kit, she gives you like this, and I mean like it's extensive. I want to say it's like 15 to 20 pages, like a little booklet online, not only telling you about the Gua Sha and the jade roller, but the creator of this actually gives you like dozens and dozens, I want to say dozens by the time you mix and match, options for different skincare oils for your skin type, whether you have oily skin, whether you have dry skin, combination skin. She gives you so many different options on how to do your own DIY facial oils. Some of you guys know that that's right in my ballpark of stuff that I love to do. I love DIY skincare, so I love that she gives you that as well. That way if you want to use, because I mean, for me using this right now, I'm using my rose water spray and my essence, but you can also use these tools with your facial oils as well. So she gives you, you know, kind of some DIYs on how to do that and why those certain DIYs are best for your skin type, what each essential oil does, what each carrier oil does, all that good stuff. So you really do get your bang for your buck. So I am absolutely going to continue this in the fall months. I don't know if I'm going to be doing it every single day, just because I feel like that was kind of a lot, along with me trying to do Veda and edit and everything at night. But definitely for my Sunday rituals, for those of you that saw my Sunday videos of just like my nighttime self-care, skincare routines. Guys, thank you so much for watching. We have 1 more day or 2 more days of Veda left, but like this video if you want to see more. I'll be posting more as usual. Make sure to do well and be well, and I'll see you later. Bye.